Hi there, today I'm going to show you how to change the language on an Epson XP-5200. Now this is nice and simple and can be done from the printer itself using nothing but the control panel found on the front of the machine. Now, although my printer is currently set to English, I'm going to make all of the button presses I do very clear so you can change the language from whatever it's set to whatever you desire. So, first of all, we need to be on the home screen of the printer, which looks like this. If you're not already here, just press the home button to be taken here. Now, we move ourselves along to settings using the right hand arrow, and you know you're on settings when you see this little cog symbol. So we press OK to go into that, and then we need to go into basic settings, which is the second option down. So we just press down and then OK. And then language is the fourth option. So we're going to go down 1, 2, 3, and then OK to go into language. And from here, we've got a complete list of all the different languages available on your printer. So you just use the up and down arrows till you find the language you desire, and then press OK to select it. Now I hope you found this useful. If you have, let me know with a like. If there's anything else you'd like to add, drop it down in those comments. Otherwise, thank you for taking the time to watch this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.